himself, Capelton!
Ladies and gentlemen, you ready? Some people come over here, so now I want to say, oh, God. Yeah, man, come over here, come over here, come up here, yeah. When I deal with, when I stay so far, yes. See him here, King of Fire. When you don't see me, when you know say I'm good over evil, take it up, it's Black History Month, it's Reggae Month. All the people who believe in yourself, 2 hands in the air. All the people who say we don't be no traitor and no sell out against our heritage and our culture, our philosophy and our curriculum. Say more fire! Alright. When you know that you see me, I'm not deal with lame people. I'm not deal with lazy people. That part of the show name. If your heart is not clean, don't put your hands in the air. And if you don't say good over evil, don't put your hands in the air. If you don't say life over death, don't put your hands in the air. If you don't respect your mother and your father, keep them on your side. And if you don't respect yourself as a true human being of value, then you can leave Ronnie Williams Center. Could I see 2 hands in the air, please? Hello, now, sell out. Who wants to see the world Ronnie Williams are free up? Everybody goes up, goes. Look at that, girl. Free up. Everybody sing, sing, sing. Come on, baby. Blazing these fire away. Come on, everyone, when this is fire. I'm talking. Turn up. Over here, sir. Over there, sir. Over here, sir. Over there, sir. Over here, sir. Over there, sir. Hello, now, sell out. Everybody go, sir. Studio. Studio. Look at that. Studio. Studio. Hold on. When you light up, when I fight up. When you light up, when I fight up. When you light up, when I fight up. Where you on? Where you on? Let me see on from your bone, Babylon. Oh, where you on? Where you on? Push it up, oh, you take so long. Where you on? Where you on? You push it up, that be there, what? Turn it up. Turn it up. If you don't reel, don't wave. Can somebody find something away from me? Oh, wait. Over there, sir. Big up, Keith. David J, big up on yourself. Jamaica. Oh, take off your hat and wave. Oh, over there, sir. Oh, yeah. Hold on now. Let me make it easier for you now. If you don't have none for wave on your hands like this. Like this. Yeah. Oh, Randy Williams, 1, 2 on the wrist. 1, 2 on the wrist. On the feet. Why? We want them up. This is the king of fire. Yeah, you know. Where do you see me? We don't know how good over evil. Rasta says salvation, redemption, repatriation, restoration, liberation, emancipation, self-esteem, self-awareness, self-reliance, self-thought, self-control, respect and discipline and diligence, humility and tolerance. All who believe in yourself. Top the sky. Go so. Look at that God! Anybody can jump? Can anybody jump? Can anybody jump? On! We're going to go. We're going to go. China! Can I get to the point? Well, I'm going to tell them again. Stop killing out the woman, them, here? If we don't kill out the woman, then we don't kill procreation. Allah will agree, 5 in a year. Oh, whoa. Look there. All right. Stop killing out the pin them. If you kill the children, you kill the future. Allah will agree, and now you again. And now you again, man. Oh, looking at God. Hold on, you know. It's about time. Right now, we're going to dash a serious fire. Randy Williams back with it. We don't play. King of fire. Represent for good over evil. We're going to dash a fire. And it's imperative for we dash this fire right now. Alright. You see fire where we're going to dash? We're going to dash a fire upon injustice, inequality, manipulation, death without dignity, exploitation, racism, sexism, cannibalism, vampirism, Ice Age, global warming, SARS, anthrax, smallpox, AIDS, Ebola. What do you think we done? What do you say? You can't burn a fire too. What do you say you want to dash a fire upon? COVID? Hold on. Rapist, no get way. Incest, no get way. Pedophile, no get way either. I'm going to tell you something. This is the king of fire. Represent for good over evil. Mr. Video Man, take the video off of me and push it over the crowd. All of the clean out people living around the William Center, give me a 5 finger. Oi! Over there, so. Everybody follow Capelton, you ready? Who do go so? Dash a fire. Whatever you want, dash a fire also. Dash a fire, yeah. Come here and figure that big, dash a fire also. Dash a fire, oi! Dash a fire. Get fire for better than heart, dash a fire. Anybody can jump again? Anybody can jump again? Hey, I'm nobody, king of fire. You're the fire, king of fire. Don't let him king of fire. King of fire, I'm king of fire. Come on. What do you say? No, I'm not hear that. What do you say? No. Alright, watch me on right now. When I say more, you say fire. More. When I say Jah, you say Rastafari. Jah. No, sir, I'm not work with that one day. Jamaica this. Rasta yard. Rasta land. When I say Jah, you say Rastafari. Jah! Rastafari! That's your dealing. a new wave. It name now sell out. All of you now sell out 2 engineer. Video man, push the video over there, so. You ready now? Everybody, go so, go so. What I say? Me not hear you now. Me not hear you now. What I say? What I say? What I say? Nobody if you don't know what them possess in our life. One finger in a ear. One finger in a ear. You know, one finger wave. Go so. Wave. 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 I bet you don't remember the one. Ronnie Williams. But man, I'm gonna kill them. Are you there? Tell them people. No, on the bad. On the bad. Yo. It sound like my ladies, them ready for sing, so. It sound like my ladies, them ready for sing. Sing that one for me. That one I name. Everybody. Somebody to love, somebody to give. Ah! King of fire. When I don't see me, I know my thing go. Be a fire, my bun. Never cease. Never stop. Still I defend the people them 4 corners of the earth. Never be a sellout. Won't stoop to the limitation in Babylon. I accept the stripping of the royalty and say yes, it is all good. Do your researches. Seek yourself. Find yourself. Know yourself. Know where you're coming from in order to know where you're going. Better you stand up for something than fall for nothing. You know what I'm saying? Good will always prevail over evil. Don't worry about it. It's a battlefield. No weapon of farm against Rastafari children shall prosper. All who agree and I hear. Push them up with them, see them. Oh yeah, man. King of fire. Equal rights and justice for all. Rise and never fall. Ooh. Say what they gonna do. When not for them no true. Say what they gonna do. Them get slew. Yeah. Oh. Who do you think you are? When they gonna ooh. Tell them. Could I sell the cellular phones? Could I sell the lighters? Turn them on. More fire in a Ronnie Williams. Oh, you mean? Turn them on, I'm see them. Yeah. Over there, so if you don't have a lighter, push up your phone. Yeah, man. See there, yeah. Looking good. Over there, so hey. Push them up. As wicked as you think you are, we're living in a small world. But as you think you are, we're living in a small world. But as you think you are, we're living in a Ronnie Williams. That day will come. When I say that I will be killed in the fire. That day will come. When they will try to escape, they will be nowhere to run. That day will come. When I shall see the hand in over bomb. to the human race and try to take things out of place. Run away to space, through them in our days. Wow. If you want a judgment, you want to get a taste. When them find out that them can't escape, sadness they send and the people in trace. Smile on my face, that day will come. When I stand and I don't we keep them in the fire. That day will come. When they will try to escape, they will be no way. That day will come. When I shall see them and they know a bomb, burning and bullets and that day will come. Take it up. Take it up. Take it up. What do you want to sing for me? Who do you think you are? Small world, as wicked as you think you are. Small world, bad as you think you are. We're living in a small world, tough as you think. You're running with that sentence. No damn something, sir. Escape today, can't escape tomorrow. Make sure you pay back anytime you borrow. Make sure you don't live no life in a sorrow. Make sure you live and still play sorrow. Make sure you break the bush out in a barrow. Make sure you don't hit them walk out and borrow. Yeah, make sure your meditation on the road. Take it up. Take it up. Could I see my lighters one more time? All the people respect yourself and believe in yourself. Turn on your lighter. Push up the cellular phone. Over there, sir. Over there, sir. More fire. More fire. More fire. Burn out, yeah. Burn out. Burn out. Turn it up. I will remain the same. Even as the fire. I watch them going up in flame. For all those innocent going down the drain, you have to pay for these shackles and chains. I'm paying for these washing of the brain. I'm paying for these guns and cocaine. They say, condemn. Oh, that day will come up. When I stand and them, I those we keep them in the fire. There. Go back, children, a little. Never children, a little. Give me a run, go so. This is a destruction to the humanity. All who say life over death. Everybody are doing it. Who don't say again? That's it. Look at no, it's a jungle trap of function now. We know man no more lady in the town. Mr. Happy go say don't kitchen happy. We know I no more dead body. Well, we saw you a kill quick. I no more dead. We don't no more. We don't no more. Just we promote riches like those. So don't get on it. What do you say again? Georgia City, Georgia Town. One fit on it, you know, cowboys all night. What do you look at now? Georgia City, Georgia Town. One fit on it, you know, dead man town. What do you look at
them a tell me how them cold. Big 45 fish shoot out them brother more. Enough I say them cold like a body not cold. Shoot down the young, shoot down the old, shoot down the puss and all the dog on the floor. Every weekend them make a next play road. But a man back in them shoot out the road. This Marcus Yagi will be playing off the go roll. Say again, Jaja City, Jaja Town, have it on it in the football town, Lord. Look at them, Jaja City, Jaja Town. You wanna see, look. Them think them reach the ultimate, but them not reach. Them get caught. Yeah man, pull up. You saw no one sing that part eh? At 30 years ago, I'm telling you that here. And I see it happen and it manifests down. Yeah man. Pull up. Because I used to say the Rasta man a mad man, you know. And everything with the Rasta man say reveal. Fulfillment of prophecy. Who mad now? Who mad? You hear me now man? Ready? Children and Sassons and our Confederates. Hail to the Federation, most mighty high. Emperor Selassie first. Everybody sing this. Oh, I said the wicked man will have to fall. Sing it again. I burn in spite of the children, Sassons and our Confederates. Hail to the Federation, most mighty high. Yo, boy, you're running with it. I'm singing that one now. I said the wicked man will have to fall. I said the wicked man and all the righteous man and the wrong man. Could I say they answer me like the air? Oh, don't tell me the one, the yeah, yo. Aye. Allow me to love one. Allow me to love one. Allow me to love one. Cold-blooded murderer. Tell me where on the mad. It's the King of Fire. King of Fire. Big up on it in Isaiah. When are we again? When are we again? Sing. I said the wicked man will have to fall. And all the righteous man will have to stand tall. And the wrong man them to fall. I know them back against the wall. I see the wicked man will have to fall. And all the righteous man will have to stand tall. And the wrong man them to fall. Could I see the answer in the air? Oh, don't tell me the one that man they never fall. You see, tell them to listen to man. What them oh. Wanna sing again? Wanna sing again? Wanna sing again? Cold-blooded murderer. Tell me where I don't require. Wanna hear me? Cold-blooded murderer. Should not kill the innocent soldier. That one your name again. Weeping and mourning and yeah. Brother, King of Fire. Who don't know that song now go walk you walk, cause when you walk on the road of corruption you walk, yo. We don't go talk you talk, cause when you talk song here. Who not ready? Critics don't leave I alone. Say them can't take the fire when they put tomorrow. Critics don't leave I alone. It wasn't I alone who chose the star. Critics don't leave I alone. Tell them so we unconquerable, treading them danger zone. Critics don't leave I alone. No, 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 no. When they got judgment, so they go on them wrong views. Come to find out the whole of them confused. And the derogative road, enough of them go choose. Enough of them go gamble with them life and lose. But the whole of them can not stop confused. Them use and abuse, and then them refuse. Can't beg with no partner, have no excuse. Everything no level, everything no smooth. Now, critics don't leave I alone. Say them can't take the fire when me put my wrong. Critics don't leave I alone. It wasn't I alone who chose the star around. Critics don't leave I alone. Randy Williams unconquerable, treading them danger zone. Critics won't leave I alone. No, 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 no. Well, we got judgment again. Catch this one up on the 7 o'clock news. United Nations, all of them confused. Scotland Yard, all of them start refuse. Buckingham Palace, the whole of them lose. Fireman a burn the fire and him a cruise. Dragon can't spark, cause him fire confused. The deer barefooted and now him can't wear the shoes. The eagle broke him when him cannot fly out. People say good on Bible. Go and see 2 hands in here one more time. Prophecy, bounce spring. Give me a wave. Go, sir. Everybody wave on the grass, King of fire. Watch it. This one is a very special one. Could I see all the lighters again one more time? No love up, love up. Hug up, hug up. No gudge up, gudge up. You can love up, love up. More love, more love, more love, more love, more love. Listen, we need more love and trust. Justice is all what we need. So let us be kind. No one got done. It's the same old story. Their promises. Same old story. No lose the sanities. Same old story. No bow for vanity. Same old. Turn it up. Premature promises will make you get discouraged. Inflation getting high, economical worries. Me tell the get to you them, don't get discouraged. Me want them from the Cornwall, Middlesex to the Surreys, yeah. Me tell that the mom don't worry, as long as them don't take the chipping and the forehead. Rastafari come to wipe out all these sad memories. Don't think for a second of forget our histories. Everybody, no one done. It's the same old. Take it down. All I believe in yourself, one hand in a ear again. Push it up, it's a video man, push the video over there, sir. Oh, take the video off of me, push the video over there, sir. Over there, sir. Everybody give me a wave now. Wave out them crosses from Boya. Yeah. Take it up. We need more love and trust. Justice is all what we need. So let us be conscious, so we all can proceed and never lose focus. That will make us achieve. And I don't love and just burn them Haile Selassie the first. Yeah man, King of Fire. Alright, this one, dedicated to mama and papa. Every respectable child, respectful to their mother and their father. Help their mother and their father. Them always be a successful child in life. Always remember that. Without mom and dad, there would be no procreation. None of us would be here tonight. So all of the people respect and love your mother and your father. Push up anything where you are. Push up your lighter, push up your phone, push up your hat, push up your hand, push up your finger. Over there, sir. Now linger. Everybody give me a mama and papa wheel. Mama and papa wheel. Hey, the one that did every day. Yeah, mama and papa. Tell me again, King of Fire. When you see me, you know what me done. Mama, Papa, ready again. The one on every day, yeah. Mama and Papa, just take your one from your jar. One on every day, yeah. Mama and Papa, the youth them see me and I shout lion paw. They yeah. Mama and Papa, run the wheel and see me and say cha la 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 la. They yeah. Mama and Papa, well let me tell you this stuff and that name. While I was away and send the light in the later, just be sure you say we have to make things better. And the foundation, me say we have to center. Hail King Selassie as the maker. Jamaica go on Babylon as the taker. Good now mama hurt the whole of them a try to wake ya. Tell the ghetto youth of them fitting and check ya. Babylon come out you can't gather. We not let ya. We know ya. Mama and Papa, just take your one from your jar. When you near me there ya. Mama and Papa, you them see me and a shout lion paw. There ya. Mama and Papa, la 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 la. There ya. Mama and Papa. Somebody say Reggae Road. Let me tell you something about life. In life, there will be obstacles. There will be stumbling blocks. There will be turmoil. Watch this now. That is just a part of the struggle. Never lose hopes. Never lose faith. Never lose courage. Never lose self-determination. Remember who you are. You know what you represent. Value yourself. Respect yourself. Don't make Babylon tell you about self-praise is no recommendation. Nobody can know you more than you. Don't make them teach you for the racist amongst your own self. Acknowledge the God will live in you. Remember your possess of good and evil. It's two spirits. One is good, one is bad. The good one will never tell you to do something bad. Always remember that. And the bad spirit will never tell you to do something good. I'm going to tell you something again. Watch your thoughts. Careful how you think. You manifest the activity that you're thinking. So always remember whatever you send out there in the universe. You know what I'm telling you? I'm telling you something. We don't study signal. We don't study waves. We don't study frequency. We don't study energy. And most ultimately, we don't study vibration. Right now, the people are in a low vibration. We don't need to lift that. I'm telling you something. Say all of the wicked things of Babylon are to humanity that is not human, and it's against the laws of nature and against humanity. The only thing can let us pull through is our spirituality. So always remember, spiritually connected, spiritually inclined, spiritually in tune. Only that can save you. Babylon know that. Why you think they make you consumed by fear or driven by fear? Because they want to destroy your spirituality. Have no fear for them atomic energy. Them can't stop the time. Always remember, good will always prevail over evil. All who agree, and I hear. Push up and say, oh, I'm told, oh, over there, sir. Let's now present it from the east. I'm going to see the building king of my spots on the first, the outside. And you cry now, everybody! Oh, the limits around you, road is so rough. Well, I've been treading this road for the longest while. My career now for them walk for soil. Treading this road for the longest while. Never you try papa fall another mankind. Treading this road for the longest while. Long time the prophet and him not stop till the soil. Treading this road for the longest while. Give away more than 1/10 of the while. Driving this road for the longest while. Till my lamp never run out of oil. This a one you have to real. Till the man no bargain, till the man no deal. No for them no one, put them shoulders on the wheels. So them go rape, them go rob and them go kill and steal. All I try eat, all I not done can heal. We not deaf, we not dumb, we not blind, we go feel. One man was worthy to open the seal. Emperor Selassie, I know he's real. Babylon, they trouble and a man. Rock you, oh. Sing again, sing. Rock you, oh. Give me something for the woman, please and thanks. Give me them, give me them. Give me them. Any man I know up in here right now, when me drop that one here, now me telling you something. When you know what me gonna sing, watch out. Sure. Give me the woman, them me come and say we need them. Give me the woman, them me come and say we need them. Give me the woman, them me now come mislead them. Everybody, see that. We up here and we joyful. Something else, girl. On. Something else for the ladies. Give me that. Red hot. All of the ladies, give me that. This is the one up here. I'm going to go far. You know what you want it on. We'll find out what you want it on. Oh man, so better. We'll find out what you want it on. We'll find out what you want it on. You know what I want to sleep on. You know what I want to wake up on. You know what I want to. We'll find out what you know what. You know what. You know what. She not in a no with no sucking and no toes. She not in a no with no head on the clothes. No, she said no. She no want no man to give no bun on the nose. Make she think she a wear all the shirt and the clothes. Bedroom only pose them a hold. She come check the light and make it down the hole. Cause she wonder what I come in a yard road. King of fire. What you say? You want some more fire? You don't want some more fire? You don't want some more fire? Red hot! Jump, 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 jump! Everybody! Booyah, 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 with them to me with the fire. Booyah, booyah, booyah. Ooh, fire! Badass. Bad. 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 Somebody say bad. Say good. Say good. What you mean? There you go. I know me at the body stink, man. I like me an eye parrot. No, you know? Yeah, go. You need presentation and representation. Represent for good over evil. Represent for salvation. Represent for the people. Yeah, man. Some boy now broke my bed. Them now broke my bread. They mean. I'm telling you something. Giving and sharing is the act of God. When you give and you share, God work here. A forgiving spirit is the spirit of God. Don't make them force you to corrupt yourself. When them go and do all of the bad with them want to do, you just go and do them all of the good. Cause at the end of the day, good I go still prevail. You hear that? Alright, watch out. Look it up. When them talk, yo, don't push up no more 5 finger and show me, here. We push up 5 finger, but don't give me no cut short business, brother. I'm not dealing with that. One time I tell the same to me, I no cut short thing, bad man. You hear me, no man? Alright, shh. Silence. Nobody knows nothing. Just listen. Everybody know the king govern the kingdom. Righteousness are where the king bring come. From St. Mary straight to Kingston. Anything we test them and go get fling down. Make them know say discipline is wisdom. Let them know we're good for them. Let them go sit down. Cause we have something where we make them lay down. Thing when me a boss him out big like a drum. Me no want boss it a Jamaica we done. Me no want put nobody under the ground. We love we little island under the sun. With them sugar cane, banana and rum. Give shango spring water but give fambo the rum. Give juice the mic and give bongo the drum. Big up well and the high grade in the gang. Me will make meditation and blaze me chillum. 7 mile of white sand where the tourists run. Actually go signal where Chuck Norris come. Talk about Jamaica it no Boris fun. Righteousness I want your name. Alright, see me and see me. If you talk you be dumb. Last boy we talk no ask no full income. And sit there now no more man him can't bully down. Disassemble and assemble who pull it down. True him love to talk that's why him lose him tongue. And sit there now him get confused him dumb. Big up St. Mary where the most fire burn. St. Mary me come from me no afraid of none. Even if them come with them laser gun, turn it up, and them can't turn it down. What am I trying? My show can't done. I bring the joy and I bring the fun. Tell black people about them black curriculum. Tell them feel Kingston are the first can't done. Manuel with the salvation jump. Marcus Garvey get the vision, Bingy beat the jump. Boom! Ethiopia 2000 just come. September 11 and I take it for fun. What a whole heap of glory 13 months of sun. So you know say this is the new millennium. But them 2000 later out of time them a run. Round you them give it 12 something need to be done. No make them show your daughters now mislead the sons. The youth they need their culture in a them cranium. Well the war going on Israel no me tell them it for done. Them a fight over island over plutonium. Fight over heroin and opium. Sister them a fight over uranium. The age protected likewise the daughters and the son. And the toxic waste them want to pollute the ground. I see it get page don't know which part for done. SARS, AIDS, still I get bun. Tell them feel show more money and stop issue gun. Them kill Martin Luther King with a long gun. Them a go and kill Obama like how them kill Malcolm. Them kill the Kennedy and it was a random. Oh, I in a Miller hype up with them one gun. I couldn't have bust a shot until they done come. Me not here. Wanna say? Say more fire. Say more fire. Jah protect. Them I worry about. A long time we don't hear that one now. You ready? Well done. Them one knows who I am and where I'm from. Oh, give me the answer right if you want me back. Take it down. Take it down. I will do this again one more time. I love you all. It was a pleasure being here tonight. You know, walk with peace, walk with love. Keep the fire burning. Respect yourself, respect your brother, respect your sister. Unity is definitely strength. Never be a traitor or sell out your heritage. Wanna ready? Wanna ready? Wanna ready? Wanna ready? Wanna ready? Sit down. Try to protect us from the enemy. Alright, sugar. Well, pull up. Granny, I love her. Yeah, man, we love Granny. We love Auntie too. Yeah, man, we love everybody. I see it. I want to love it name, one heart, one aim, one anything. I feel like I want to sing 2 lines, you know. Cause, you know, all of the big singers them in the business, like Capelton, you know, say if you sing in a fire, man, I deal it, brother. Yeah, give me a piece of that. Play it low. So your wings and fly, all your head to cry. Wipe those tears, don't cry. Never let your well run dry. Whoa, 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 whoa. So your wings and fly, all your head to cry. Wipe those tears, don't cry. Never make your well run dry. That one your name. Mama and Papa figure proud of me. Sky's the limit, me say fly past the cloud of me. No take them chip, so them couldn't know the code of me. Babylon no one for real, this really sold of me. Ask them who turn up the crowd of me. Ask them who burn up the road of me. You know long the whole of them I try to hold me. Could not hide a powder me, just cover me. That one and them. Spread their wings and fly. Hold your head up high. Well, I know. I'm versatile, I know. It's a versatile. Oh, yeah, man, the king versatile. Yo, lock off my rhythm, lock off my rhythm. Catch a one. Everybody, prepare yourself. Yes, sir. Give thanks, King of Fire. You know, go African, him say, yo, what can I name them, brother? King Shango, Fireman, how do you? All right, watch this. As long as I live, I give and forgive and do good I can. Oh, as I strive with my steps, I will never forget to do good I can. Oh, some gonna say, yeah. Tried in this road so long, always singing my songs, burning Babylon down. Oh, they just can't stop me now, 'cause I'll keep rolling on. I'm a winner from the day that I was born. Oh, as I rise, I lift my hand above the waters. Rise, and bless the sons among the daughters. Rise, and bless the mothers and the fathers. Rise, above the borders and the barrier. Well, Shango said, share some love for humanity. Don't carry grudge, true vanity, and never lose your sanity. I ain't up in a calamity, so me say again. Right now we need a change of policy. We're tired that the war it causes too much atrocities, too much verbal controversy, too much animosity. Want to eradicate the crime, you have to burn the poverty. As long as I live and forgive and do good I can. Whoa. With confidence, I know I have to stand the test of time and never let the pagans them get the best of mine. Make them know them on the least, them off the list of mine. Them could have never caused a stress of mine. Whoa, yeah. Me tell the get to you, them full time, them take a stand. And yell King Selassie, I the conquering lion. Well, good over evil, me say right over wrong. Aaron Williams, we born Babylon, me say that one and him was low. As I live, I'll give and forgive and do good I can. Whoa, I just try with my step. I will never forget to do good I can. Holy Emmanuel I, Selassie I, Rastafari, I'm the king of the fire. Hey, fire burn them up again. I'm gonna make the fair. Everybody. Love you! Boy! No one else. Don't like me when I'm a fight. Don't like me, true, no more, fight. Don't like me, true, no fight. Don't like, no one. In fact, me say I must never wear them. When it's just them, even if we bust them. When it's just them, if I don't touch them. When it's just them, them and I soak them. Ronnie Williams, someone that's the up on top of things, other things. This thing tells to me touch them like drinks, but that's the up on top of things, other things. This Emmanuel, they must make like a chick, but that's the up on top of things. This Marcus giving them lose them links, but that's the up on top of things. Other things, yo, you know what I like me? love them full of hate. No for them, they know say them no great. None of them fool them with no rate. None of them will not emulate. Let me tell them one more thing. Everybody religion. It's the king of fire. King of fire. Never yet retire. Never yet retire. Look. I'm going to like Marcus Garvey with my sword up on my right hand side. Still I see it. You know the chariot and I ride in my right. One day, they try to win you know what glide in my glide. Where Hitler and them friend the whole of them off go out. Mussolini in a debacle in my slip up and slide. Not like Kingston, I see now the whole of them collide. In a Geneva conference, him took them by big surprise. Them come to take the power in a Selassie eyes. When I looted, seated everything off the rise. And crown him the conqueror, the king of the wise. I take up your at the eyes, me say black man rise. Come off, and you pump some pride. Step up in and with them, stop victimized. Step up in and them mentally paralyzed. The mission is the name of only that they provide. Righteousness, the whole of them try to avoid. Kings and my gods, Pharisees and scribes. The whole of them mix when them know me arrive. And know me a go burn out all them evil vibes. And know me a go burn out all them war and strife. And know me a go burn out all them devil device. Burn out the jackets and burn out the guys. Burn out the fabrication and burn out the lies. Burn out the traitors and burn out the spies. Tell the Ethiopian them to organize. Tell the Ethiopian them to centralize. Food is coming from the side, only coming from the eyes. Well, that simply mean that's how our bees are alive. They make me see your hands them from your have to survive. Make me see your hands them from your have to stay alive. Make me see your hand them from your now build no strife. Belly to belly, we say a side to side. If you take a look in at the black woman eyes, woman them attack me like a beast from the eye for me. No, there's a girl and me go up the right. New name for the girls who know how to dress, and the new name for them we call them special girls. New name for the girls. What's my feeling? Big up Steve Marley, anyone I heard. What's my feeling? Yeah, the man say. What's my feeling? Yo, finger, turn you up, turn you up. I say. Ready? Say Rockstone was my pillar, could no one place to say. But them empty, we have to find food for them. And every day we go job for them. What the thing, them a shop, and the thing them a made. From them a be a cowboy and Indian and trade. From the first to the third, straight up to 7th Street. One thing in our whip mind of each and really best. And make it in a life, hey. And it's when them play off. Can somebody sing one by one for me? No, I'm telling you, I'm going to deal with lame people, you know. I'm going to deal with lazy people, you know. Are you ready? Say, one by one. One by one, we stepping out. Again, one by one. We stepping out. Written. Big up Steve Marley again. Jonah gang, big up yourself. All of the real people.
song before me leave here tonight. I want to hear Rise Above. Where there? So let's say the first.
Rise and shine. Give Rastafari the glory. Rise above all the evil that they do. Rise above, 'cause they want your life to ruin. Rise above, the place they keep polluted. Rise above, from the looting and the shooting. His heart will always rise above. Rise above, rise with peace and love. Rise above, burn these aches and grudge. Rise above, the people rise up from the slum, rise up from the mud. Alright, see them. Babylon, me say them mentally crippled. Them want we survive from the dime and the nickel. So them only present us with the muckle and the nickel. Yeah, them want we slide, that's why they make it simple. Ha! Them want it all, so them give we a little. So them got the Rasta and no puppy nickel. This a generation Babylon can't be nickel. Vampire get paid with the prickle. Now when your name will always rise above. Rise above. Rise with peace and love. Rise above. Burn these aches and grudge. Rise above. Rise up from the slum. Rise up from the mud. Look. Babylon and no missy said them a trickster. So them go rob most of the wealth from Africa. Let me tell you about Marley and Rita. When we survive from the wackle and the wicker. Think we would have weak them, say we can get fitter. Think we would have poor them, say we can get richer. From the day I'm born, I've never been a quitter. Babylon, me say you heard it, I go with you. Now I am. We'll always rise above. Rise above. Rise with peace and love. Rise above. Burn these aches and grudge. Rise above. Hey, rise up from the slum. Rise up from the mud. Babylon, them too crooked. Get your youths, now make them catch you flat-footed. See them now, you turn and you have to look with. People them wise enough, can't make them for the stupid. They want your name, have to play your part, yeah. Have to play it smart, yeah. And always be clever in all your endeavor. My sisters and my brothers, they want your name. We'll always rise above. Rise up. Come again, come again. Two and a year again, two and a year again. Everybody. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Go so now. Rise up from all the evil that they do. Rise up, 'cause they want your life to ruin. Rise up, the place they keep polluted. Rise up from the looting and the shooting. We'll always rise above. Rise above. Burn these hates and growth. Rise up. Burn these hates and growth. Rise above. Jamaica, rise up from the slum. Rise up from the mud. Rise up from the slum. Rise up from the mud. Rise up from the grudge. Rise up with some love. Rise up from the mud. Rise up from the grudge. Rise up with some love. Wow, wow. Yeah. Great is Georgia, and greatly to be praised. In the city of Forja, in the mountain of his holiness. Beautiful for a situation, joy of the whole earth. Is Mount Zion on the side of the north, the city of the great king.
Emperor Haile Selassie, never cease, never come, never cool.